How far do we need to go so we can catch up with the line of dream and achieve greatness? Exploration, diligence, persistence, and endless pursuit. A beam of light shows the direction. A ray of light illuminates the path. With an expanse of brightness, we're gonna make a future which belongs to us together. We are Lanson. Work on creating technology innovation, shaping the future of manufacturing. Lanson believes our customers' business growth is our opportunity. Since its inception in 2005, Lanson has established a professional team of talent, combined with a solid technical strength of R&D, manufacturing operations, marketing and after-sales service capabilities. It has focused on sustainable development and manufacturing high-precision injection molding machines and high-performance aluminum magnesium alloy die casting machine as its leading products. It aims to develop and manufacture high-speed, high repeatability accuracy, high stability, high precision and energy-efficient injection, as well as die casting molding machinery. The company has obtained ISO Quality Management System certification, Industry Quality Management System certifications, and numerous industry honors. As a high-tech enterprise focusing on pioneering advanced technology progression, Lanson has scored first by being the first in mass production with a single-cylinder injection molding machines among industry peers. And it also has succeeded in capturing exclusively self-developed technology and production capacity in building high-performance and large-scale die-casting machines. The company has achieved an annual output capacity of more than 4,800 injection molding machines and more than 2,000 die-casting machines. And the quality of all products has reached international standards and compiled with industrial regulations. As one of the industry's well-known brands, Lanson has always made its presence found in several large industry exhibitions and the mainstream media across the world. Both domestic and overseas customers have been wowed by the company's products, which have been exported to numerous overseas countries and regions, and it has proven with the highest productivity advantage for a wide range of industries, as Lanson aims to work and grow together with all our valuable customers. Lanson believes that world-class product R&D capability drives industry development. Lanson's professional R&D team owns more than 80 senior technical engineers awarded by almost 100 national patents. The scope of patents includes high rigidity, high strength and high precision of the clamping unit, high speed and high precision single-cylinder injection system, the precise microcomputer control system, the high-precision closed-loop servo control system, the stable and reliable injection system, the modular-type energy-saving high-response oil circuit design, etc. And as well providing efficient one-stop service for customized application solutions. Lanson holds expertise in manufacturing and supplying more than 15 series and over 100 high-quality prototypes of injection molding and die-casting machinery, including the precision single-cylinder injection molding machines, the standard dual-cylinder injection molding machines, the large 3-platen injection molding machines, the large dual-platen injection molding machines, and etc. With a strong R&D and manufacturing capability for large-scale die-casting machines, Lanson has successfully developed and produced LS 1,000-ton to LS 5,000-ton cold chamber die-casting machines. Lanson is committed to constantly developing high efficiency, high stability, high precision, high speed, and more energy-efficient injection molding and die-casting machinery to offer customers with more competitive product solutions. Lanson believes Their sophisticated manufacturing technology, process, and premium quality assurance generous customer trust. Lanson has imported and equipped dozens of high-precision CNC machining centers and testing equipment, and the professional assembly technology and strict quality assurance systems have placed for workplace. The robust manufacturing process control, assembly process control, and manufacturing monitoring assurance ensures reliable and premium product quality. Prior to delivery, every machine undergoes continuous load tests, endurance tests, and other strict equipment testing and detection. It has ensured excellent quality measurement in every process step, has been following with scientific and strict regulations and instructions, and to ensure perfect delivery of each product. The company's warehouse has made to use 3D barcode management system, where each of the components and parts is independently encoded. All codes are scanned to complete housekeeping and delivery, immensely enhancing production process efficiency. Lanson believes that more than a good quality and stable machine, the customers count on the excellent and thoughtful service. Each machine is equipped with a remote computer monitoring system to promptly inform customers about production and application process parameters. The company also provides regular on-site maintenance service work in great profession. With over 50 sales offices and after-sales service centers in China and overseas, Lanson has more than 100 after-sales service engineers are available to respond anytime, providing customers with timely, comprehensive, and thoughtful services. Lanson believes that only by harnessing the power of innovation we share, we shall achieve our desired future. By adding value to the customer journey, we can enjoy Lanson's social value. With our ambitious vision and dedicated working attitude, we continue to strive for operational excellence in every aspect of our business. Adhere to innovation path in terms of technology, production, marketing, and after-sales services, sincerely to cooperate with our customers to develop a brilliant future in China's equipment manufacturing industry. Lanson, a professional injection molding machines and die casting machines manufacturer.